Hello everyone, this is Preeti. We are here with the new exercise 9.1, page number 155. Question number 1. Which of the following figure lie on the same base and in between the same parallels? In such a case, write the common base and the two parallels. So start with the first one. In the first one we have ABCD. This is a parallelogram and this is the triangle PDC. So now I'm going to write here, we are having the trapezium ABCD and triangle PDC lie on the same base DC. The base is same for both of them and in between the same parallels. AB and DC. So this is the part 1. Now comes to the part 2. In the part 2, this is the figure. In this we have parallelogram PQRS and the trapezium SMNR. So now we are going to write this statement. Parallelogram PQRS and trapezium SMNR lie on the same base. The base is SR and in between same parallel lines PQ and SR. This is the part 2. Now comes to the part 3. In the part 3, this is the figure. This is the PQRS parallelogram and this is the triangle RTQ. So now the base is same, R and Q. They are lying on the base RQ. So we are going to write the statement here. Parallelogram PQRS and triangle RTQ lie on the same base and the base is RQ and in between the same parallel lines PS and QR. So this is the part 3. Now comes to the part 4. This is the figure. In this, ABCD is a parallelogram and the triangle PQR. So now they are on the base BC. So the base is same for both of them. So we are going to write the statement here. Parallelogram ABCD and triangle PQR lie on the same base. The base is BC and in between same parallel lines AD and BC. So this is the part 4. Now comes to the part 5. In the part 5 we are having the figure. This is the figure for the part 5. Now in the part 5, the quadrilateral ABQD. This is the ABQD. This is the quadrilateral and a trapezium APCD. APCD. This is the trapezium. They are on the base AD. This is the AD. They are on the same base. So we are going to write the statement here. Quadrilateral ABQD and trapezium APCD lie on the same base AD and in between two parallel lines AD and BQ. So this is the part 5. Now comes to the part 6. This is the figure for the part 6. Now in this one we are having parallelogram PQRS. This is the parallelogram, and this one, and inside this one is a parallelogram ABCD. This is ABCD. Now we are having two parallelograms. So we are going to write here parallelogram BQRS and parallelogram ABCD. Now for ABCD base is BC. Now for the PQRS base is RS. So they are not lying on the same base. So we are going to write here parallelogram PQRS and the parallelogram ABCD do not lie on the same base. They are not lying on the same base, but lie in between same parallel lines SR and PQ. This is the SR and this is the PQ. So with this one we have completed the part 6 and the question number 1. In the next video we are going to start with the exercise 9.1.